ain't supposed to speak up, only for PSAs and post-game press interviews where you must keep it PC, PG, apolitical, void of any POC, patois passed down to you from any neighborhood that may hone the craft that you now trade, or else you might get traded like a slave, or dropped like your own knee, or should I say your owned knee during the celebration of being free. Colin! You know you ain't supposed to stand for nothing. Just the national anthem, just the flag, just your own black body when it gets tackled and concussed. That bonus ain't gonna get itself. And I know them knees could get weak every week, not from the hits, but from the shots. Police taking kids, Trump takes it us. We feel like we the only survivors left, like we want a break from the arrest. And though you break during the huddle, that break is not a rest. Can my man get a free moment to kneel? Colin! You know how they'll be calling you anti-American, unpatriotic. We don't pay you enough to have an opinion. Different from how they was calling when Cap stepped in, gave the 49ers a rush, led them to gold. Oh, how we were all calling then. Don't have a bad season, an opinion, two eyes and a heart, and a sense that all eyes are on you on American Sundays, that you are being paid to give them a show, but you do have a free moment to take a knee, to take a stand, to say, hey, America, this black life is not a game. That halftime is not just a proud black Beyonce, but halftime is a black boy's growth cut short. That you can't separate the black body from the ball. That you can't dictate when the black body can fall. You wondering when these black bodies gonna stop complaining. Remember the black body, the most American of us all. That America the great ain't America complacent, America complying, it's America complaining, America defiant, it's an arrogant entitlement to a higher sense of rights amidst the tribal tensions lies, but we take pride in all our trials to aspire to an America that can't pay me enough to not be free. Can't pay me to celebrate freedom and justice when it's not being practiced. We not talking about the game. We talking about practice? We talking about practice? They sing of freedom, but go ahead and show them what it looks like. That's practice. You all practiced and ready and seasoned, but they got all kind of reasons this season for calling you, for not calling you. They trying to make you a cautionary tale like, don't get calling. You know how to colonize a do. But you know, who knew a black body, who knew a brain building in the black body more dangerous than the linebacker charging at you? Ha ha, Colin, who knew a quarterback could worry about a pass in the pass? Colin, but we see you, Colin. No matter how they calling you, we calling you. We stand with you, Colin. We kneel with you, Colin. We calling you. We picking up what you putting down. We catching what you throwing out. We calling you. We calling you. We calling you. We calling. How lucky we all are to receive this calling.
Make some noise for Dahlak.